In Unit 1, we talked about what notes to play on the treble and bass clef. We also talked about how long to play them with the rhythm, the whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. In addition, there are many different ways to play a note. For example, you might play it loud or soft. You can play it short or long. And all of these things give music a great variety. And that's one of the most interesting and exciting things about music to me, is that you can give the same passage of music to 10 different people, and you hear it played 10 different ways. The first thing I want to talk about is dynamics. And dynamics simply refer to how loud or soft you play a piece of music or a passage of music. The two basic dynamics are forte, which means loud, and piano, which means soft. Now, you notice that we're using different vocabulary. These words come from the Italians. A lot of musical terms come from Italians because the Italians were the first people to put these kind of musical instructions in their pieces. Now, say you want to play some music with a little bit more finesse, then in that case, you might play moderately loud, which is mezzo forte, or moderately soft, which of course is mezzo piano. The word mezzo means moderately. Now, if forte just isn't loud enough for you, then you might have fortissimo. And adding issimo to a word means very, so you would have very loud. And if you want pianissimo, then you would have very soft. Now, all of these terms in music are abbreviated just for the sake of saving space. So, forte is F, mezzo forte is MF, mezzo piano, MP, and piano is P. Fortissimo is FF, and pianissimo is PP. So, going from soft to loud, we have pianissimo, piano, mezzo piano, mezzo forte, forte, and fortissimo. And then from soft to loud, of course, you have fortissimo going all the way down to pianissimo. If you go from soft to loud, it's called a crescendo, and it's often abbreviated with this symbol. And if you go from loud to soft, it's called a decrescendo or a diminuendo, and that is shown with this symbol right here. Okay? In the next lesson, we're going to talk about some other ways to play music. So I'll see you then.